are going on a P&O cruise. We are heading down to Southampton today. We like to go down the day before and stay in a hotel. So when we get there, we're going to stay at the Doubletree Hilton, and I'll show you a little bit about them, because most people tend to stay a bit closer, but we like to stay there. They taxi you in and everything. And we're going to play hide and seek. But yeah, I'll show you our hotel once we get there, and stay tuned for these series of holiday vlogs. We are here. It's took about 3.5 hours to get here. Not a bad drive. We've been here before. This is the Doubletree Hilton just outside of Southampton, and we've just popped the car in the long stay car park here, which is where you keep your car if you stay here on the cruise package, so the car will be here for the full 2 weeks. This is the entrance. Let's go in. We're really happy with this hotel room, and I've just discovered that there is also a hairdryer in the wardrobe. Oh, it's got lights. So yeah, got a hairdryer, safe, ironing board. We're not here for long enough though to make use of that. So yes, this hotel for 1 night, including breakfast in the morning and parking for 15 days, taxi transfer to and from the port, was £255. Now we have done this every time we've cruised, and we found that this is really good value, and because you're here the day before, it takes the stress off. You're here, you start your holiday early and just start to relax really. So tonight we've got dinner booked here. That isn't included, you do have to pay extra. I'll show you the menus and stuff, because I couldn't actually find a menu for here online. So yeah, we'll do that, and then in the morning there's like a buffet breakfast situation. We've just got loads of crafts and stuff for a little one to do. I plan on having a lovely bath tonight in here. I just think this bathroom is so lovely. Proper big shower, nice lit mirror and everything. This is like bathroom inspiration for when we do ours. So yeah, really happy with the room, really happy with the price it was. Yeah, so we're just going to do some crafting and bits now. We're currently colouring in a t-shirt, and you can colour it in and wash it,
and then it just turns white again, and then we can recolour it,
and you can wear it on your holiday.
Yeah.
So now time for a cup of tea and a chill. graduation day. We're all very excited. Didn't really get much sleep last night. 1, because of being excited. 2, because the pillows were just, they had nothing in them. So if you do stay here, maybe bring your own pillow and leave it in the car or something. Maybe we just like foam pillows, who knows. Anyway, we are just heading out for breakfast. So it's a buffet style breakfast. Ours is included in the room price, and I'll show you what options there are for breakfast. We've been here before and it's usually been really good. So yeah, come for breakfast with us. We're in the terminal, Ocean Terminal, just arrived in the taxi. Not meant to board until 3:15 and they've let us in super early. So excited! We've come through security. How are we gonna get on? So we found our cabin. And I'm just going to show you. So we're G405. This is a obstructed view balcony with a pull-out sofa bed. This is the sofa bed with a kid on it. Dressing table. This pulls out. Balcony. She's watching the muster station. We've never had a balcony before. And this is the obstruction. Now I don't think that's too bad. You can see for miles. And we've got a nice deck below us as well. I can't believe we're on. I'm just so excited. I've already cried. It's a bit noisy out there because they're obviously loading everything on. Deck 16 is open for some lunch and drinks, so we're going to head there now and get some nibbles. But yeah, so happy. Show you the bathroom, didn't I? It's a good sized bathroom really. What more do you need? Wardrobe's got so much space. We're going to be able to keep the trike in here all week. The trike is brilliant really for getting around. We've got aircon and a full length mirror. So we've unpacked, sorted out the cabin and come up to top deck, deck 17 for sail away. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. It's such a lovely temperature. It's quite busy. The bar's about 5 deep. Over here is Cunard Queen Mary and they're setting off before us. So we're just waiting for sail away and they're going to do the horn sweeches, which I always think is really cool. So we're just waiting for that and then we'll be on our way. Sail away. first night on P&O's Britannia. We're so happy to be back on this ship. It is all of ours favourite ship. My parents are with me, it's their favourite ship as well. And we sat down at dinner and was like, we've waited months for this first dinner. It was so good. I forgot to take a picture of my main. So my first course was a chicken croquette, then I had lamb with mashed potatoes, and then I had like a chocolate marquise thing, and it was really thick. Oh, it was so good. And then we went to Pulse and listened to them because we like Pulse, it's like the resident band. We all had a mocktail, we're not big drinkers. Mr. B had a no colada, and I had a paradise punch, was like cranberry and orange. That was lovely, nice and refreshing. Lots of dancing, and now we're all very tired after all the travelling. Not sleeping very well in the hotel because we was excited. So tomorrow is the first of 3 sea days. We've never spent 3 days at sea before. There's so many activities on, and it is a celebration night, so we get to dress up really special. So I'm going to do the sea days as a separate vlog. So this was your first vlog of our cruise series. The next vlog will be the sea day vlog of the series. So thank you for watching this vlog. We will be back with vlog number 2. I hope you've enjoyed it. I watch people's holiday vlogs all the time, and I've always wanted to vlog our holiday as well, so I hope I'm doing alright. Follow us on Instagram, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and ciao for now.